Look, oh dear.
Wow.
Oh dear. I can't see what he hit, can you?
No. Pieces on the road.
Yeah, I mean, he drove into something very hard.
Oh, yeah. Maybe the stolp. The lamppost.
Well, maybe it was only him. Maybe nobody else was involved. Who's going to do any burglary stealing here?
No, I don't know. Maybe it's the rules like this. New villa, the right side. New building.
Who's going to live in them? So I suppose there's always a market for the locals, isn't there?
Locals, yeah. This area, yeah, only for locals. Can buy next to the beach. Так, our cafe, yes, it is open. I see the people coming
Where's the sea gone to? Screening centre.
What they call this? Palm? Not palm. Deira Palm Island.
There are lots of people here as well. It's not that easy to park, is it?
We will find parking, don't worry. Going to get our lunch. What do you have? Hello, fine, thank you. Oh, they have pakora. They have something fried. Onion. Hello. Yeah, fine, thank you. Так. The kitchen. I need to order. Tea. Thank you. Yes, white. Just a second. Would they have the barbecue? They have the chops. Plenty of fish. Different fish. Look at this big fish. Huge fish. And crab. Crabs, yeah, and prawns. Thank you. Так, люди кушают.
This soup,
So what is this?
this onion pakoda, and this egg breakfast.
Bread?
Boiled eggs, and
Boiled egg, yeah. Can I have two? Two boiled egg. And this is the cutlet, yeah?
Yes,
Some cutlet. Yeah, can I have two, one, and... Long time don't come, yeah? Silver, yeah, next to the police. Not too much business now, yeah? Down.
Their old shop.
Problem, yeah. Problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one, silver. Uh-huh. Yeah, you just can put here inside. Uh-huh. Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Bye-bye. Bye.
So, are we going to stop here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do
So
our
you
plan.
pick a spot. I've got to go to the end anyway. So you pick a spot where you think is a good place to stay.
The last one, or in the middle. Beautiful day, sunny. What the temperature you have in the car?
37.
37.
What did you say?
37.
No, you said mask off, didn't you?
I take mask off, finish. I cannot breathe anymore. The mask.
Thought you were, because that fish that they is mask off, isn't it?
Ah.
The Arabic place.
I think it's somewhere here we stay.
Oh, we need to stay fairly
Wait,
near to the toilet
next to
so
the-
that I can get changed.
Change, yes. Oh, wait.
I think we normally park a little bit.
That one. That one changed. This is it where we stay.
Are you sure? This seems very near to this end. I thought it was. No, it's further down, Tanya.
Second one?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's not the one we don't.
Yeah, it's very close to this end.
No, no. Can you see? Are there plenty of
Second
people
one.
on the beach?
Yes, there is.
It might be difficult finding a tree.
You will find.
See, most people will go to the first one, won't they?
Yeah? I thought we're gonna be alone, but no, there is two people there coming.
So, is that one or this one?
Second. I mean, they both nice. I don't know, Tosh.
Get the company of some birds.
I bring for them banana.
So I just go and change it.
Yep.
I need this.
Yes. I saw worker there around. They wearing mask walking. What? Oh, like a chai.
When you get out and in the wind, it will feel good.
Yes. No, it is nice. Like a tea. still on the top of the pond. Кш-кш-кш-кш-кш. Ходіть отсюда.